Sai Ram students, today we are going to learn a new topic which is estimating difference in chapter number 4, subtraction. Children, how to estimate? We can estimate by rounding off the numbers to its nearest 10, 100 or 1000. How to round off a number we have already learned in chapter number 1, right? So let us see how it works for subtraction. To estimate the difference, we have to round off the minuend and subtrahend to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, and then we have to subtract. So first whatever number is given, okay, the minuend and the subtrahend, we have to round off the number to its nearest 10, 100 or 1000, and then we have to subtract. With this we will get the estimated value. Children, let us take an example. We have to find the difference between 8,576 and 6,370. Now, using estimation to the nearest 100 and compare with the actual value. So, children, in this question, we have to find the difference, which is our actual value. We also have to find the estimated value. How we will find estimated value? By rounding off the number to nearest 100. And this is already given in your question. So first we will write the numbers properly to find the actual value. For finding the actual value, we have made here one box. Okay. Draw the columns, write the place value properly and write the numbers in the proper place. Let us subtract. We will subtract from 1's place. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So children, our actual value, if we find the difference, it is 2206. Okay, now let us find the estimated value. For estimated value, we have to round off the numbers. So first we will write the minuend. If I round off this number to the nearest 100, it will be 8,600. Yes children, the number at 10's place and 1's place will become 0 and the number at 100's place will change, because the number at 10's place is more than 5. Okay, so 5 plus 1 here will be 6. The same way, here also you can see the number at 10's place is 7. Okay, which is bigger than 5. So we have to add 1 at 100's place. So minus 6,400. A subtrahend will be 6,400. Now let us subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. At 10's place also we have 0. 6 minus 4 will be 2. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So children, our estimated value is 2200. Children, like this we have to note down in our notebook also. Okay, this is our example sum. After this, we will write the answer, the actual value, okay, of 2206 when rounded off to the nearest 100 is 2200. So the estimated value is correct. Children, take out your textbook and your notebook. We are going to start with exercise 4.4. The first question is subtract the following using estimation to the nearest 100 and compare with the actual value. Children, note down the question in your notebook properly. We are going to do B1. B1 is 5,216 from 8,479. We are going to solve B question in our notebook. Let us now find the solution. First, we will find the actual value. We will find the actual value by finding the difference. So, draw the columns properly. Write the place value and the numbers in the proper place. Now, let us subtract. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then at tens place we have 7 minus 1, which is 6. Then at hundreds place we have 4 minus 2, which is 2. And at thousands place we have 8 minus 5, which is 3. So children, the actual value, if you find the difference, is 3263. Now we are going to find the estimated value. For finding the estimated value, we have to first round off the numbers. Now if we round off the numbers, like 8479 rounded off to nearest 100 will be 8500, and 5216 rounded off to nearest 100 will be 5200. After that we have to subtract. We will subtract from ones place. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Children, here you can see the actual value is 3263 and the estimated value is 3300, which is correct. Children, please note down properly in your notebook, in your classwork. After this, you have to write the final answer in such a way. The actual value 3263 when rounded off to nearest 100 is 3300. So the estimated value is correct. Now let us move on to C sum, which is 2807 from 5731. Children, first we have to find the actual value. For finding the actual value, you have to write the numbers in the proper place and then subtract. Now this sum I have already done for you. Please go through it. The difference of 5731 and 2807 is 2924. After finding the actual value, you have to find the estimated value. For that, first we have to find, or we have to round off the numbers. 5731 rounded off to nearest 100 is 5700, and 2807 rounded off to nearest 100 is 2800. So children, after subtracting, we will get the estimated value as 2900. Here you can see the actual value is 2924 and the estimated value is 2900. After finding the answer, you have to write the final answer, which is the actual value 2924 when rounded off to the nearest 100 is 2900. So the estimated value is correct. After this, we are going to do some multiplication tables. Children, table number 1, 2 and 3 we have done previously. So let us move on. Now we are going to do table number 4 and 5. So repeat after me. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And 4 tens are 40. 5's table is very easy. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Children, repeat the table after me. Okay? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Table number 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Now 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 9's table now. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. And finally, children, 10's table. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. So children, your homework is from question number 1. D sum 1775 from 3120. Children, A sum you don't do it, okay, and apart from D sum, your homework also is to learn and write tables of 4 to 10 for 2 times in your homework notebook. Children, please learn tables. Every day you have to say the tables and learn it, okay? Children, now if you remember, I have given you project in the month of May, okay, to form Roman numerals from 1 to 10 using vegetable printing and write the value of each number, okay? So children, I hope you have done it. It is just a reminder. If you have not done the project, please do it as soon as possible and keep it ready, okay? Thank you children. Bye bye.